Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing. On my left, we have the ComGrow official Creality Ender 3, also known as the Ender 3. And on my right, we've got the Entina Mini 3D printers Tina 2, or just Tina 2 for short. Let's see, which one of these bad boys deserves a spot on your desk? All right, let's get down to business. First up, we're talking about the price. The Ender 3 comes in at $232, while the Tina 2 is a more budget-friendly option at $169. So if you're looking to save some bucks, Tina 2 might already be winning your heart. But hey, let's not swipe right just yet. Next, let's talk about ease of assembly. The Ender 3 claims you can assemble it in about 2 hours. 2 hours? That's like watching Titanic, minus the iceberg drama. Tina 2, on the other hand, comes completely assembled. Yep, you can start printing faster than you can say Jack and Rose. Now, let's get into the extruder technology. The Ender 3 boasts advanced extruder tech that reduces the risk of plugging and bad extrusion. It's like the Rolls-Royce of extruders. Tina 2, with its dual Z-axis rails, promises high-precision printing. It's like the NASA of 3D printers. All about precision, baby! Time for some safety talk. The Ender 3 has a safety-protected power supply, reaching 100 degrees in just 5 minutes. That's faster than I can nuke a bag of popcorn. Tina 2 also supports resume printing after power outages, so you won't lose your masterpiece if the lights go out. It's like having a superhero backup plan. Moving on to design and portability. Ender 3 is sturdy, but not exactly something you want to lug around. Tina 2 is compact and lightweight, perfect for home, office, or even your dorm room. It's like the Chihuahua of 3D printers, small, cute, and super portable. Lastly, let's talk about user experience. Ender 3 offers lifetime technical support, which is great if you're in it for the long haul. Tina 2, however, takes it up a notch with a 24-month warranty, 30-day return policy, and lifetime tech support. It's like having a concierge service, but for your 3D printer. Summarizing the online reviews, the Ender 3 is praised for its reliability and is highly recommended for beginners who enjoy the assembly process and learning about 3D printing. Reviewers appreciate the detailed prints and the upgradability options. On the other hand, the Tina 2 receives high marks for its user-friendliness, compact design, and excellent customer service. Reviewers love the auto-leveling feature and Wi-Fi cloud printing, although some mention connectivity issues. Both printers come highly recommended, but your choice depends on whether you prefer a hands-on building experience or a plug-and-play simplicity. So, who takes the crown? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, out-of-the-box experience, Tina 2 is your go-to. But if you're up for some DIY and crave those advanced features, the Ender 3 is your guy. Either way, you'll be creating 3D masterpieces in no time. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Product links are in the description. Until next time, stay smart and keep buying smart.